Hello Internet, it's me, Scott, from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm going to be playing this 1979 Music Man Stingray through an Ampeg B15 Portaflex, and we're going to be checking out the Wren Cuff Russian Tall Font. It's pretty cool, and also, if you like reading Rainbow, check this out. Let's chat about it. The Electro-Harmonix Russian Tall Font is a pretty kick-ass pedal, but the Wren Cuff Russian Tall Font is just as kicky-assy as that one is. The thing about the Wren Cuff Tall Font is that they make it with superior parts. You can stomp on this son of a gun a lot of times before it's going to break, unlike the Electro-Harmonix ones. On this pedal, we have a volume, a distortion, and a tone. What more do you need? The cool part about this pedal as well is that even with the distortion cranked all the way down, if you turn the tone knob so you boost your lows, it rumbles you from deep within. This pedal sells for just under 190 bucks, and you can pick it up at GuitarChimp.com, where we have a lot of cool toys that you're going to want to play with. Also, if you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and tell all your friends about us. They're gonna wanna know. See you later.